Hi guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can duplicate a sales invoice on Coconut accounting software. On mobile app, go to your invoices section, select an invoice which you want to duplicate. You will be not able to duplicate draft invoices, so you need to select one of unpaid or paid invoices. So for example, Travel Limited paid invoice. I want to duplicate, click on those three dots on the top, and we can duplicate invoice from here. Now we can select an invoice date, due date, for example 7 days. We can add additional line item if it's required, click on plus and add information here. Otherwise, just save as a draft. That means that invoice will be not sent out to customer yet. Or click on next, amend my details or your business details, click next and distribute out to your customer. Okay, so when I go to my invoice list, I can see there is Travel Limited invoice issued on 7th and it's due on 15th of June. So in this episode, I showed you how you can duplicate an invoice and distribute out to your customer on Coconut accounting software. So if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial and my personal review of this software as well. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.